Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about a question that we get asked often. If you can't weld in situ in your application, how do I attach BFM spigots? There's a few different options that you can use to get spigots attached to your pipework without having to weld inside your plant. The first option is to weld in the workshop a flange or a clamp onto your spigot so that you can fit this into your pipework and clamp it into an existing flange somewhere in the system. You also have the option, if you're using modular pipework like a Jacob, Noro or KMH system, to use one of our lipped spigots. These can simply be clamped onto any of those modular pipework systems with a quick connect clamp so that you can attach them into your pipework incredibly easily. You can also use things like Morris Couplings or other flexible couplings that can be used to join stainless steel pipes together. Just make sure that they're adequately tight and that they have a gasket or seal to prevent any kind of powder leakage. Thanks for watching everyone, and if you have any further technical questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.